Welcome back everyone for this first chapter relation to BPO industry. As I teased, something big is coming. Why am I starting a YouTube channel now about the BPO industry? The answer is simple. I've lived it. I have seen the explosive ramp-ups where we were hiring hundreds a day. I've survived the tough process changes where everything felt like it was breaking. I know the thrill of hitting a KPI and the frustration of a difficult client. And I realized that all that hard-won experience, all my wins, all my losses, could serve as a roadmap for you. This series is specifically for the young people, the men and women looking at the BPO or MNC sector and asking, how do I even start? I'm not here to read you a corporate slide deck. I'm sharing personal, unscripted experiences and strategies. We'll cover everything from alienating your interview, surviving your first 90 days, moving from agent to manager, and how to build a real, long-term career. So if you are ready to stop guessing and start growing your career, keep your notification bell on and subscribe right now. This is your look inside, and as always, this channel is a conversation. What's the one thing holding you back from starting a career in BPO? Let me know in the comments below, and I will try to address it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.